Hello, I'm Mark Densley. Today I'd like to outline some of the many benefits of the Pneumatics Smart Pneumatics Analyzer, or SPA. The SPA enhances preventative maintenance and energy optimization by analyzing and visualizing pneumatic systems. By digitizing the pneumatic environment, the SPA helps the pneumatic system user quickly and easily see the potential benefits of integrating IoT into their machine with a few simple steps. Using Pneumatics IoT technology to produce real-time dashboards and log data locally or in the cloud. Visualization of the live and historic data, including airflow and pressure. A CSV Excel export of all sensor data. Leakage detection by pressure drop test. Electrically operated valve controllable by the dashboard, time synchronization, and a visual comparison of consumption data from various measurement intervals, including from last day or last week. OEM customers have used this product to verify air usage and produce information for their customers, which are legal requirements in some countries. This product can be used as an introduction to IoT, offering the user flexibility to modify and enhance the dashboard by the open source embedded software. For more information, please contact your local Emerson office or visit the IoT website at aventics.com/IoT. Thank you very much.